guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another order to show you from the Rusted Orange Craftworks. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my order just arrived that I placed from the Rusted Orange Craftworks. I did show you guys a few weeks ago a video of how I made like 3 different wreaths from products that I received from the first mystery box that I purchased from them, which was so amazing. But while I was doing that video and I was screen recording some of their website to show you guys, I actually saw that they have another mystery box. This one's actually cheaper. You get less items, but it's definitely a lot less inexpensive. So I wanted to grab 2 of them just so we can see what that is. And I needed more markers for my garden, so that should all be inside of here. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I'm gonna go through the 2 mystery boxes first. They were $8 each for 1 to 2 items worth $14.99 or higher. So for $8, again, I couldn't pass that up, so I grabbed 2 so we can see what it is. There's a card in here and says, if you want to change the world, go home and love your family. Yes. Oop, I almost knocked my little markers off the table. Okay, so it looks like there's going to be maybe a mystery box in here, and then here's one here. So since this one is already in a bag and we can kind of already see it, let's go ahead and open this one first. I really love that these are pumpkins for Halloween because the last mystery boxes, the holiday stuff that was in there was mainly Christmas. So it's really neat to now get a different holiday. So here they are. So you have 1 of these and then 2 of these. Now my original unboxing video, I was not quite sure what in the world, like how you put these, the way that these are designed to me in my head, the way that I like try to figure out what this is, looked like you would set this down in something like a stake and put it in the yard, but no. That is not it at all. They already have their own stands. You just bend them. So I'll just take this big one here, for example. You just literally bend it up like this and it has its own stand. I think that's super cute because there's 2 small ones and 1 large one, so you can actually put this like together. So I think that's so cool that they put in 3 and they're 2 different sizes. So that would be the first mystery box that I paid $8 for, and I'm really actually happy about that. I love Halloween, and again, I don't have anything like that for Halloween. So let's see what's going to be in this second mystery box. Okay, well, I'm glad I bought 2 because I definitely wanted the pumpkins. If I would have got this one, I would have been like, oh, okay, it's the same thing. This is the same thing that I received in the 2 different mystery boxes that I got. So I know I was like passing them down to friends and family because I had so many different things that looked like this, but now I have another one. This actually looks super cute if you put it like on a mantle and you have like Christmas greens or something running behind it or candles. So you can do a lot of different things with this. Okay, so for this one, you can actually purchase it with 2 holes. So if you wanted to hang it on a wall, or you can have it like this. It also does come in like the 4 different finishes. But for this one being like this, I just assumed you would have to just like set it up against something. But no, you bend it slightly and then it actually stands on its own. Let me show you. And there you are. So you just do like a slight bend or a slight curve. Just literally all you need is a slightest bend to it and it's standing all on its own. If you wanted to go even more, you can, or however you wanted to do it. But just adding the slight little bend here is all you need for it to stand all on its own. And literally like that's solid. It's not gonna tip over or anything like that. That is so neat. That is just so neat. I'm so glad I looked at their website and saw that all you have to do is just slightly curve it and bend it and it stands on its own. So this one was a 1. It said 1 to 2 items. The other one I got 3, and this one there was 1. So there's 2 different varieties of what a mystery box could be, but again, for only $8, and these are way more than that, I thought that was definitely worth it. But I really love the pumpkins. So there's those 2 things right there. And then the garden markers, I went ahead and bought the set that comes with 7 of them. It's $45.95. And you can choose so many different ones. There's drop downs. You can choose whichever you would like. So I needed a few new ones because I did have like some other plants that I started getting after I originally got all the others. So I'm like, now I want them all to, you know, have their own marker because all the other ones do. I just like things to match. And I absolutely love these markers. They're so large, they're big, they stand out. You can see them, you can read them, you can paint them any color. I just paint them with a clear, but after a while, if they do start rusting, it just gives them a little bit of patina, so they look really cool anyways. So with my bell peppers, I think I have one that says bell pepper and I stick it in the middle of all 3. So I wanted, since I was ordering them, I wanted one on the other 2 as well. So I got 2 more that just say bell pepper, just so now all 3 of my bell peppers will have one. Then with my jalapenos, I just have one in the middle of each. So I wanted them both to have their own marker. So I got another jalapeno right there. Then for my peppers, I have other just miscellaneous peppers. They're not jalapenos and they're not bell peppers, but I wanted another one here to put because I just got a new one that I needed to put one. So I got one that just says peppers. Actually, I got 2. I got 2 of them that say peppers. There are some other peppers that I wanted to start growing to like make my own salsa and stuff. So I just thought this would be better than trying to get a name for that specific one. This would just be peppers. Then in my cantaloupe and watermelon area, I got one that said pumpkins, which I'm super excited to start growing pumpkins, like especially for the girls. They love pumpkins, really good for chickens. So coming next year, I definitely want to grow pumpkins, but during the summer or the spring, I want some cantaloupe. And right now in that area, all it says is pumpkin. So I need a cantaloupe. And then just in case I get another one, I got one that says whatever. Whatever. So if I end up getting one that I don't know if I want to have all the time or just want to pop up a new little plant for whatever, whatever will be its name. So there is the set right there. I do actually have my own code with them. I think it's Crafty 20. Let me double check here. It is just Crafty, and that will get you 20% off. So if you go to their website and you see anything that you want for yourself or for a gift idea, use Crafty to save 20% off. So that is everything that I have to say. Again, I wanted to show you the 2 different mystery boxes that I got and the new plant markers that I got. I will paint these with the same clear Rust-Oleum paint and put out there just like I did the others, so they will be protected. And yeah, so definitely comment down below and let me know, what did you think? Do you want to go snag a mystery bundle now for yourself? For $8, you get 1 to 2 metal, products. It could be anything. So there's that. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.